Hey guys, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a personal memoji or an emoji on the latest iOS version. So let's get started. Now, in order to create a personal memoji, first thing we need to do is go ahead and open up our messages app. Now, you don't have to message anyone, but we need to either type a message or click on this icon, and you can message yourself as well. It doesn't matter, right? I'm just going to pick an email here or a contact, right? Once you do that, right, you select a contact, you click on that plus icon right here, and then click on more, and then there's an option for memoji. If I click on that, it's gonna open up this animated page, welcome, where you can send a memoji message using the camera and microphone. Basically, it allows you to save your facial expression and your voice into one of these personal memojis that you can customize to look like you, so make it more unique without having to have your own face of video sending. So if I hit continue here, right, first thing is, as you can see here, as I'm talking and moving my face here, it's changing, right? You see that changing as well over time. Now I need to customize it. Now in order to customize it, right, I click on that plus icon, it gets started, right, with that green icon. Now I need to choose my color that I want, right? You can choose a color, your skin color that you choose, and then you can just choose like things like your hairstyle, your skin, your highlight. You can see, as you can see, all of these features are available for you to go ahead and choose. As you can see here, a bunch of different options available, and once you're done, you just simply hit that done option, and then in order to record and send a memoji, you click on that record option right here, just like that. Hello, this is a memoji recording. You have about 30 seconds or so. You can click on stop, and then it will play back on a loop. You can send it, or you can recreate one, or you can replay it again just like that. And when you're ready to send one, you can click on that, right, and it will create it and send it to them just like that. As you can see here, see, when they play it, they'll get that exact recording. So that's how you send memojis and create them on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.